Okay, we are live. Good morning, fellas. John, Bobby, Mooncatcher, good morning. Good morning. How's it going, fellas? All right, let's get everything ready to go here. John, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Good morning. Good to see your name in blue. Sin City Futures, good morning. Perfect Play, good morning. Good morning. How we doing? How we doing? Hey, Peter Schapp, good morning. NP, good morning. Design Knob, good morning. Went short after market. 2 PAs liquidated. Oh, I'm sorry, bud. I'm really thankful that I turned off my trading yesterday when I did. I'm very thankful for that because I feel like yesterday could have been a pretty ugly day for me had I continued trading my funded accounts. Hopefully, but I don't even remember what happened yesterday. The slate is wiped clean. It's a new day, and I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's have a great day, everybody. Let's all be patient. Market is making highs as we speak. Overnight session pretty much just went up. Lowest of the overnight session was the 470s, and we're pushing 555. So pretty bullish move in the overnight after a sell-off yesterday a little bit, or at least a pullback. Good morning, Matty Matt. K Trader, good morning. I love it. Everybody's checking their points already. I love it. Hey, Mooncatcher, good to see you. Michael Bird, good morning. Uncle Creek. Uncle Carico, good morning. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm going to type in chat. I'm going to type in chat so that I get registered so I can start racking up points. 109, Matty Matt. Let's get it. Neo, good morning. Good morning. Anyone near Oceanside, San Diego? Oh, man, that does sound like a beautiful place. You know, I thought about, I need to do something with the points. Like, I wish you could turn the points into becoming a member of the channel. And then if you're a member of the channel, you get like a special Nutty Bar logo or something. I'm going to look into that, to what we can do with the points, what you guys can do, but I'm not I don't have my member, like, you can't, on my channel, you can't become a member and pay $5 per month. I don't know. I just never turned that on. Hey, Alan Sutton, good morning. Kai, good morning. Hey, you got your Apex payout last night, Matty Matt? Well, daggone you. Let me see. I don't think I've gotten mine yet. See? That's proof that there is no such thing as streamer privilege. Because if there was, I would have mine already. Did you, Black Coffee, did you get your payment? Let me look. No. Nope. I thought I was going to get it this morning, but I guess it 3 business days would be tomorrow. Usually takes my bank 3 business days for it to show up. So it must be that Matty Matt has special privileges. Just kidding. Yeah, it'll probably be. Oh, really? You're international, Matty Matt? Okay. Interesting. Hey, Forbes, good morning. Namak, good morning. MDK, good morning. Alan Sutton, good morning. Eddie Rod, how we doing, fellas? By the way, so the Apex top 10 video, I'm basically working on getting that video ready. It's going to drop. I have to see, because sometimes if I drop it early, it kind of bites me in the butt, because then they come out and approve more names. But I think I'm safe with, like, I might drop the top 10 video on Saturday. But I'm telling you guys, this month for Apex in payouts was insane. Absolutely insane. You guys are going to freak out. So many payouts. And some huge payouts. Not just one, not just two. Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy, man. I'm telling you what, Apex is up here. Like the number one. They're like way up. They're like way up here. Everyone else is just battling for number 2. And they're like way down here. Not even close. Resets like 10x maybe for them. Oh no, Matty Matt, what? Elite Trader funding $1,700 won't make a difference. Okay, that's interesting on the international payment. Huh. Oh, they approved you, design? 1,700? Hey, that's something, design. That's better than nothing. Oh no, Matty Matt. You go in, put the deposit sign. No way. They call you yesterday and say they don't even have the truck? Oh my gosh. Oh, that is some terrible customer service right there. Oh, really? That's on a 25K account? That's really good design. All right, market 5 minutes. Also, no news today. I misspoke in my video last night. I was looking at the wrong thing. We're trying to sell. We're trying to sell trucks now on in chat. I like it. Your wife is more disappointed, but now you can look around more. True, true. What kind of truck are you looking for? The Range Raptor. Okay. Nice, nice. You're gonna have to leave me today to watch the Dave Portnoy stream his trades. Who's Dave Portnoy? Dave Portnoy sounds familiar. You want the F-150 hybrid XLT? Nice, nice. Oh, that's the Barstool Sports guy? Come on, is he actually going to stream today? Like, is that actual real? Is that actually real? It's funny that you say that. The reason that that name registered is I started watching his golf outing. It was called the Ryder's Cup from last year. And I was watching, it's like a 6-part series. And I was watching the golf outing with him and I forget what the other people were, but it was hilarious watching some terrible golfers compete against each other and talk trash. It was hilarious. It's some good content. If I watch, do you watch at the end of the day like yesterday, then trade when things go up again at 6 p.m.? Yeah, sometimes I do, Eric Pierre. I did not do that last night, but the night before I did. I do like trading in the after hours, like right here. Like, see, this kind of moves like this here. This is what I love trading. And it feels like in the after hours sessions, we have more of this price action. And then once the trading day starts, we have more of this action. Now, which one would you rather trade? Because this here is ugly. Like, this is it's just ugly. Compared to this, way better, way easier to trade. My opinion. But anyway, we have 6 accounts left that we've taken a payout from. I'm going to be a little bit disappointed if we don't at least get a couple of those accounts to pay out again. But we shall see. We're just going to try our best. Design, you had a bad taste in your mouth from yesterday. I don't blame you. Hey, good morning, R5 Studios. How we doing? Vasquez, good morning. Davy Day Trader. Okay. I mean, that's got to be pretty funny. Imagine he starts to prop firm. Oh dear. All right, boys, we are live. Or I mean, session is open. Looks like we're pulling back right off the rip. All right, how far is this going to pull back here? Let's see where we get a bounce, or if we get a bounce. Keep pulling back, pull back to the 535s. Still some selling here. Pretty nice pullback here. Whoa, we ripping. Big pullback right here at the open. Big pullback. Where are we going to get some support? I mean, I guess we could get some here at the 510s. Okay, getting a bounce now. You know we're going to get a V-shaped reversal, right? Oh, never mind. This market is going to keep ripping lower. All right, let's see if we get a pump. Let's see if we get a bounce here. 510s, obviously the 500s, we might get some support, but basically retrace this whole move higher in the pre-market from what, 830? Looks like she wants to keep going down. Hey, the market's based off yesterday's huge drop, same area. Copy. Hey, another 3K eval pass, Nimok. Nicely done. Nicely done. Get those one-day pass evals while you can. Last day today. All right, 515s here. Looks like, I don't know, this looks like it wants to keep going. We are at the 510s. Now the 505s. This ain't, we ain't done yet. Huge sell-off right here at the open. Wow, right through the 500s, through the 495s. This is a bloodbath. Absolutely destroyed. Yeah, the spike at 840. I don't know. It's it's NQ design. Ooh, I forgot my clock. Thanks for reminding me. What a rip. I mean, this is wow. Just short this. I feel like it's too volatile. Not doing it. Not gonna do it. Now we just wait. We just wait for the V-shaped reversal because we know it's coming. Lots of liquidity at 350 at 450. And here we go. Let's this is this gonna be the rip higher now? Nothing ever surprises me with NQ. I'm never surprised. Yeah, I don't know. This does not feel like we're done selling off. I think we're going lower. Man, it looks like a beautiful day outside, but it's really cold. Okay, here we go. See if this makes new lows. All right, let's see. Thing about to make new lows here, I feel like. Here we go. Wait, it is. I did not expect this thing to just rip lower right at the open, especially with the pre-market we've had. But this is looking very, very red. Got murder on a short. Now it would have been 30 points in profit. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, Orlando. I've been there, man. Ninja Trader enter me on 2 positions. 1 PA profit target, the other down a few bucks. That's weird, Black Coffee. That's weird. Can I make a spreadsheet for top 10 biggest losers? That's funny. It is dying. Okay. What's the plan here, market? There we go. New lows through the 490s. Man, this is crazy. Now seeing a bounce. Man, I should just short everything that bounces. Hey, Trader J, how we doing? That's so weird, black coffee. That sometimes that happens when it's really volatile, but still kind of weird. Are you serious, Orlando? Uh, yeah, sometimes the trade copiers, you definitely want to keep an eye on them. Sometimes it feels like they get a little bit of mind of their own. Got to rein them in. All right, we tried to get above 500, but we're struggling. Struggling to get going. The bears seem to be pretty interested here. Look at this EMA. It went like did an actual V shape on that move lower. It's like nosedived. This is a okay. This sell off is now from the 570s. 70-point sell off here right off the open. Impressive. I'm impressed. Does NQ always fall when Dow rises? I do not know. I don't watch the two together. Gosh. And here we go. Just going to rip lower. There she goes. Oof. We ain't done yet. Tesla and NVIDIA are weak. Yeah. Yeah, Black Coffee. It should have been pretty easy. Need 2 trades to pass an eval, but post 1 day off. Yeah, if you don't pass an eval today, you unless they run a different kind of promotion, then it would be you would have to trade it for 7 days in order to pass the eval starting tomorrow. And right back up we go, question mark. So tempting to jump in here, but man, I don't know. It's just a bounce. We could easily just keep going lower. That a trend line on the 1 hour? Yeah, kind of do. Kind of do have a trend line here. Okay, getting a move on now. We're getting a move here. Will it? Well, is this going to be the V-shaped reversal to the upside? Or is this just going to fall off? All right. 515s. It's trying to get above the 515s, 510s. I don't know. Okay, let's. Man, I want to. Definitely starting to feel like this is the V-shaped reversal move. It's so hard to pull the trigger when we have this big of a sell-off, but you wanted to buy more accounts, but your payout's still not arrived. That sucks, Mooncatcher. Yeah. Oh, really? You trade YM on VA? Nice. Yeah, I get pretty aggressive on my new PAs too. So far, it's been okay, worked out, but one of these days it won't. Okay, pull them back. I just want to see, is this a stair stepping down kind of day or a V-shaped reversal kind of day? It might be a wants to keep going. Gold futures not tradable on Apex? Yeah, you can trade gold. All right, let's see. Are we going to get a move above the 515s here? Got to get above the 515s and then the 520s. Man, I want to... Man, I want to short this so bad. I mean, NQ kind of holding up now. Got to get above the 515s though. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it can do it. And the chop fest begins. The chop fest begins. Now I'm going lower. Man, Are we going to just test the lows here? NQ about to make new lows. Hold on. Here we go. This look like this might be a stair stepping down day. I don't. Well, maybe we get a bounce here. Yep, there she goes. New lows. She ain't done selling. Hmm. All right, let's see. Are we just going to keep ripping lower? Down we go. Okay, now through the 480s. 475s. Look at that thing rip. What? 460s. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit here. So the low of yesterday was 439, 440 area. So keep that in mind. All right, let's see. We just keep going lower. Should be pulling the trigger short here, but I'm not. Just a little bit scared. I mean, if we look, this 470 didn't hold. The 440s don't hold. Then this is some very, we've kind of lost this trend line. Obviously the 440 is going to be important. But we just keep selling. We just go lower. All right, 450, 455s. There we go through the 450s. $450. So we were from the 570s. We are now at the 445s. Man, that's impressive. Some impressive selling. Least estimator. Yeah, it's crazy. Thing is just this thing is on something today. I was not expecting this for sure. Especially that pre-market we had everything. But hey, here we are. Feel like I got to change my outlook today, maybe to only take shorts. I mean, this thing is just. Oh. Okay, we're. Really want to. Give me a little bounce, and then we're going to see if we can't get in short. Oh, wow. What a day. What a crazy day. Yeah, V shape is coming. I feel like you're right, but I just don't even want to. I don't know. Yeah, hopefully. All right, we did actually. There we go. Made new lows. I mean, you'd think we're going to get a little bit of a move here, a move higher, but I've seen them days where it just does this whoosh and it just keeps going lower and lower and lower. And then when you think it can't keep going lower, it just goes a little bit lower. So, I don't know. Definitely. Oh, here we go. New lows through the 40s. This 40 level is going to be important. Wow, through the 40s, down to the 30s. We're through the 30s. This is a full-on bloodbath. Crazy. Wow, this is crazy. So sad that I haven't participated at all. I guess that's better than going long, but man, what a move. Down, down we go. Huh, look at that. I mean, we're through the 410s now. look at the daily. I mean, this doesn't even look like that big of a red candle yet. Holy moly. Wow. I mean, this is crazy. Keep thinking now's not a good time to short at the bottom, but we just keep going lower. Yeah, what's going on among us? I don't know, man. Who knows? ES is just, wait, ES is green? No shot. Wow, ES is holding up way better. Hold it. Now I'm just scared to even trade. Holy moly. I mean, this is crazy. Through the 390s, we ripped right through the 400s like they're not even there. Some crazy volatility. Hang on, I might have to call someone. Okay, now getting a bounce. Oh, really? Okay, Nvidia is down 3%. Hold it. That's crazy. All right, 420. It just, this is where this kind of volatility is crazy. Like this bounce here is from the 390s to the 420s. 30-point bounce like it's nothing. No, it has not, Trader J. Probably tomorrow. Should be tomorrow. All right, I don't know. Yeah, this is so scary. I hate like these kind of days. I don't like. I don't like him at all. So volatile. Okay. No, I just like the reason I hate this. Like such a big move lower. I don't know. I'm just so like the chance that we're gonna see some kind of nice V-shaped move here is, I think, pretty high. But at the same time, if you trade for that and you're wrong, and we just keep stair stepping this down, you can like this kind of volatility. You can go. You like this account only has $700 of drawdown, and you can go through that in about 30 seconds. So I don't know. It is better than a chop fest. I kind of agree, but at the same time, it's like, ugh. Yeah, I guess I could go to micros. I could do that. We might actually do that and then switch to all right. Gosh, this is so sketch. Hey, Dan Futures, you just reached your first payout. Let's go. Congratulations, man. All right. I'm doing it. I don't think we're done selling yet. Try not to be too greedy here. Oh, come on. All right. We'll take that. Hey. We can always go lower. I did it. I got the 69. Oh. Get out of town. You have 186 points. I really need to lower that. Nicely done, though, design. That's impressive. That is impressive. Very impressive. Now, if we don't make a lower low here, then we got ourselves maybe. Yep. Never mind, new lows. We just gonna keep stair stepping this thing down. How do you see your points? You have to do exclamation mark points. Okay, getting a bounce here. Just playing for this bounce. Not going to be greedy on the moves higher. I do like this, though. It's a very nice long wick. Basically, this looks to me like some market maker taking out the stops here, and now we maybe make a move higher. So I'm going to look for another long entry here. Pull it back. Come on. Going to be a little bit more aggressive here on this one. But we'll kill this thing if we start not liking what we're seeing. Come on. We got to get above this. Nope. I'm out. We'll take it. I think we do go higher here. Yeah, there she goes. I just couldn't risk it with this big of a down move. I just didn't want to risk it. It would have been it would have been a smart hold, but this kind of volatility can drop 30 points in a couple seconds. If you add the losers, will Apex deny payout? No, they won't. Nope. What's the problem? What's the problem, Mr. Pushup? Has anyone ever loaded an eval? It won't let them trade it. You can't trade your eval you just bought. Have you tried disconnecting, reconnecting? Is it trade of 8 or is it rhythmic? So it's a Trade Evade account. Yeah, that I figured it was probably Trade Evade. I mean, it can. They sometimes have issues with that when there's a lot of accounts being purchased. It's almost like Trade Evade can't keep up. But that is frustrating though, because if they don't get it fixed today, then the 1 day pass isn't an option for you. So I'm sorry, Mr. Pushup. That is frustrating. Not sure I can help in any way, or I would. You get out and it pops 20 points more. Yeah, I know, Leah. That's just how it is with trading, right? If you get out, market keeps going in your favor. If you don't get out, it'll reverse. You know, it's just how it works. I have come to just accept it. You just got to accept it. Have you guys ever had this thought? This might be a weird thought, and I know I know this wouldn't be a productive or a profitable way to trade, but hear me out. So it has crossed my mind that what if, and you would probably need to test this, like obviously just using micros. But what if you entered a position, for example, I enter a position right here. And the only way to exit the position is you would have to reverse your trade. Okay? Which sounds kind of crazy, but it would force you my thought behind it would be it would force your brain and your mentality to kind of change to where, okay, do I actually not like my trade anymore? Do I actually think it's going to go the opposite direction of what I have entered? For example, if I enter this trade right here, like I did, that I think we're going higher, right? So now I don't just get out at any not random place, but like I'm giving it a little bit more thought before I exit if I have to reverse the position, which you would never trade that way, but it would require you to kind of think through your strategies a little bit more. Not strategies, but think through your exits a little bit more. Probably get you to hold to your trades a little more, which, you know, I think can be good or bad, but just, you know, just some weird random thoughts that have gone through my brain. If I ever think the market only goes up, I've had those thoughts, yes. Oh, man. I have definitely had those thoughts. You reverse all the time? Oh, really, paint bar trading? Yeah, I don't think I've ever done the reverse button. I don't, maybe I probably have and I don't remember, but I almost never do the reverse. Because there's nothing worse than, like, for example, right here. Let's say I enter here and then I get out here and I reverse my position and then it just keeps going higher. Like that's like a double whammy on a loss. It's a loss. It feels like a double loss. So that's why I never do it. If you use the reversing, always lost. Yeah, I feel like that's a thing. Feel like that definitely feel like it's possible. Hmm. Oh, I didn't get filled. Only got filled on 4 contracts there. And now we're filled on 5. Not sure I would. There we go. When you pass an account, do you feel accomplishment or relief? It depends how my day's going. It depends. Sometimes I feel relief. Sometimes I'm like, I just feel calm. Or how would I say? Sometimes I just feel like nothing. Red poker, you're dead inside. He doesn't feel a thing. That's rough. Okay, now I kind of want to. Gosh, if we're gonna struggle here again, I'm gonna. Where's Apex headquarters? You just want to talk. I don't know, man. They're on a boat. Where did I get the Apex merch? Hey, I was wondering if you guys were going to notice. So, funny story. Before Apex actually updated their merch store, I actually bought 2 shirts. And then I think like a week later, they updated their merch. So I feel like I have a vintage shirt, actually. It still has the apextraderfunding.com. So I don't know. I'm kind of glad I got it. I like the shirt too. Okay, market. I'm going to short it again if it starts struggling. Okay, that might have been too quick. Probably should have waited a little bit longer. There we go. Come on down to Papa. Come on. You can do it. Hey, 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 hey. All right, we might have to kill this one. Still feel okay. But I'm starting to be concerned. Yeah. Kind of giving back a lot of profit here. I don't like it. Don't like it. If you could pull back, that would be great. All right, I'm just gonna get out there and I'll take a small L. Okay, I should have held. I take that back. Should have held. Man, now I really like a short. Oh, that was me being a little bit too impatient. Oh, man. Totally would have worked. Totally would have worked. Okay, it's okay. Let's not go off course just one trade. You might as well take a nap. You need cash like Lambo rule. Yeah, not happening. What is my Streamlabs doing? I don't know. What's wrong? Is something wrong? What? You truly want to learn from me, Eric? No, you don't. No, you don't. You do not want to learn from me. You know what you need to do, Eric? To get that out of your system, go back and watch yesterday's stream. Watch yesterday's stream, and that'll cure you of that desire. 100% guaranteed. For those that were here for it, no, They know what I'm talking about. Sorry, I was muted. First time today, though. That was the first mute of the day. But Eric, I was explaining how I don't have a mechanical entry. My entries are discretionary, so you're gonna have a hard time pinpointing my entries. I mean, I have rules and stuff that I try to follow. Like I just said, if we're in an uptrend, I want to buy the bottom of the trend. Pretty simple basics. So, but, you know, sometimes I do things I shouldn't. It's weird. I don't even understand myself. JW with the 66 points. Let's go. Whoa, Wanderer. Wanderer with the 138 points. Woof. Red Poker with the 99. Man, you guys are... It's impressive. I think you have Paint Bar Trading. I think you have to do points. Here, I need to check my points. Yesterday, I had 7 points. If I don't have at least 15 points, I don't know what I'm going to do. Hold it. You're going to do the liar, liar bathroom session? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. What? Are you serious? I have 8 points now? Okay, this thing is rigged. Something's wrong. Orlando has 95. I have 8 points and I'm the streamer here? Come on. Something ain't right. I'm telling you, Scruffy. You're getting a request timeout period. Is that on Tradeovate, Mr. Pushup? Hey, Black Coffee with 132 points. How do you get points? By being active in chat and watching the stream. All right, we are continuing to make a move higher. We are above the EMA. So, and about what is happening with my phone? And the mock has 47 points. Jeff C. Uh-oh, Jeff C has 0 points. I'm sorry. Don't feel bad. I only have 8 points, and I'm the streamer. For some reason, I'm not sure how that works. All right. I'm trying to debate with myself if I am okay shorting the top of this channel. And I think I am. I think I'm okay scalping the top and bottom. Why not? We are obviously in a downtrend. Yeah, I guess I don't chat much. Okay, this might end up being a little bit of a chase here. A little bit aggressive entry here. Come on. Should have waited. That was bad. Thought we were kind of losing steam. Thought we were running out of steam here below the EMA. It's all right. Still think we see a pullback to this. Bring it down. Bring it. Bring it. There we go. I knew we were going to pull back. I knew it. No, I actually didn't. All right, come on down. Let's test this Let's test this thing. Your line turned green. Yeah, but barely. As long as we didn't break above this trend is where I was kind of okay still being short. Now I'm thinking of going long if we could just pull back a little bit more. Might not get an opportunity here. And this thing might rip higher. Okay. All right, we're doing it. Eh, it's where we got to be careful. Got to see this thing continue here. A little worried. Doesn't seem to have momentum. Try to be patient. Rip it. There we go. All right, I'm going to take it off right there. Hello? What's happening? Hello? Hey, there we go. Okay, is anybody experiencing lag on Rhythmic? That was weird. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what did you just do, K Trader? You just that was really cool. So if you do exclamation mark top, it'll show the top points. It'll show the top 8. No, actually, it'll show the top 10. So it'll show Design, Wanderer, Black Coffee Trader, Fufu Rar, Matty Matt, K Trader, Rad Poker, Orlando Mendoza, John, and Traderous Chick. Ha! That's pretty awesome. But did you guys see that lag? You read the manual. I like you, K Trader. Please stay. We need you. Okay, now don't everyone spam exclamation mark top. Don't do it, guys. What? Someone just emailed me. Someone just emailed me to say that they know that I blocked them. Hang on, I'm trying to remember. This guy said that I blocked him, but the name doesn't really sound. Ace Undercover, if you're listening, I did not block you. Ace undercover. Oh, look at this. Ooh, we got out here just in time. So now that we've breached this uptrend, now, I mean, this is looking like we're going to just make new lows, possibly. But now I just don't really have a trade. Which is okay. Did I see Trader's Chick message? Sorry, I did not. Hang on. Can you change who can use it? Streamer only or everyone? You mean to use the exclamation mark? You mean to check? Let me check. Let me see if that's an option. Yeah, exactly. Trader's Chick. Yep. Okay, now we're just pulling back. We're making a move back up. Nice try. Nice try, K Trader. Okay, stop, guys. You need to stop. Oh. It's not going to change if you guys keep using the top. I'm going to see if I can't disable. You guys. Commands. Hey, oh, you know what? Someone should try. Someone do exclamation mark ad break. Do it. I want to see if it works. Change from everyone. Cost. Ooh, you know what I should do? Oh, maybe I can't. I was thinking I could make it if you put exclamation mark. If you want to check your points, it's going to cost you 1 point to check it. Hey, Slaya in the house. Good morning, Slaya. How we doing? Command settings. Trader's Chick. I feel like you would know way more about my Streamlabs than I know about my Streamlabs. Join the active raffle, open raffle, close raffle, cancel raffle. Quote, add quote. Man, there's, oh, here we go. Here we go. Ah. Okay. Oh, I see. Wait, you guys can give points. You can give your loyalty points from one person to the next. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to change it to moderators. And then 1 point equals a ticket on a giveaway. Hey, Bob Lazar, good morning. Did you have any complaints about TradingMate this morning? Slaya, yes, we did. Mr. Pushup had some issues. He bought a TradingMate account and it wouldn't, like, it would just show as zeros and it wouldn't allow him to trade the account. That was, but I think it was only Mr. Pushup that had that issue. We're still in talks with TradingMate, so getting as much info as helps us out when trying to get issues fixed. Copy. Hey, that's good to know, though. Good to know, Slaya. Yeah, hopefully it can be fixed here soon. Zero issue we're actually fixing. We caught it right away. Very few accounts got that. So Slaya, Mr. Pushup, which I don't know, he probably just, or what's the best way to, fastest way to get it resolved? You're getting a time request error. Okay. Mr. Pushup, you got unlucky. Feels bad. But I guess, yeah, what's the fastest way or quickest way for him to get it resolved? Man, I've never looked into all of these different. We could do bets. What? You can gamble your points? Oh, this would not be. This wouldn't even be fair. And you could make a store. I could make a store and then people could buy stuff with their loyalty points. I'd be out on the street looking for with a cardboard sign in a couple weeks if I did that. So top here. Can we buy a car? Hey, yes, Slaya. Maybe, you know what I'll do? I'm going to make a store and it's going to be like Amazon for some items. It's going to look like a car. But then when I ship it, it's going to be a little 1/16th scale car. It's still a car. You know, I never in the description, it never said that you can sit in it. Okay, have him create a ticket and say new TradeAvate 0 balance. Okay, Mr. Pushup, did you copy that? Okay, looks like it did. Hey, thanks a lot, Slaya, for helping out. Appreciate that. The stop trading feature works. Black coffee. Yeah, I know it works because yesterday I used it. Here, funny story, guys. So yesterday, I, of course, bad day of trading, as you guys saw. So I turned off my trading for the day on all my accounts. And about 3 o'clock or 2:30 in the afternoon, I got the itch. I'm like, man, I saw a setup. That would have just, I'm like, this is such a perfect setup, a perfect entry. I want to trade. I was serious. I was dead serious about taking this trade. And I started going through my options of how I could somehow circumvent the Guardian Angel trader to allow me to trade. I was actually getting frustrated. I could not figure a way out. I just couldn't do it. It didn't allow me to do it. Literally didn't work. And guess what? After about 5 minutes of trying to get it to work, I go back and I look at the chart, and we tanked like it was a crazy amount, but I was like, oh, thank you that it didn't work. How to gamble points? I would have to set it up. In order for you degenerates to be able to gamble your points, I would have to like set it up so that it would work for you. Basically, it would be, I've thought about it. Like, you could basically gamble your points on, hey, do you think the market will close above or below a certain level by this time? And then if you're right, and you get, you win. But I wasn't sure, should I be encouraging, even if it's loyalty points, all of a sudden people would be like, you're just a gambling. I can already hear them. All right, I need to check a command. I need to check something. Now I'm going to type this in, and I know you guys are kids, but I mean, hear me. I don't want everyone typing this command, okay? I'm going to type it, and that's all that needs to be done, okay? I know you guys aren't going to listen, but it's worth a shot. Okay, there it is. Top hours watched. So Design has 12 hours, Matty Matt 8, Black Coffee 8.57. Interesting. Oh, hang on. I'm going to change it really quickly. You. Haha. Got him. I got him. Those points have no worth. That's what you might think, Wanderer. I'm thinking of some things that they would have some worth other than just bragging rights. It's wrong. I watch every day. Yeah, I'm convinced it's wrong too. That's why I wanted to check. Pretty sure the hours watched is not correct. It feels like it resets or something. Like, I don't know. Does it reset? But it's weird. Don't pay attention to it. Well, we're just going sideways now. Sideways to down the way, but not tradable. Here, by the way, can you have us redeem for 1 billion points a 50K Apex account with 100K balance ready to withdraw? Actually, Slaya, you know what I thought? That'd be cool? If I could somehow make it where once, someone gets like, I don't know, 1,000 loyalty points, we'll do a free giveaway. They get a free 50K Apex account eval, something like that. Long here at the 408 is a good entry. Yeah, it's... feel like this has the potential of rolling over. We failed to make new highs here. I'm definitely only looking to short. And only looking... kind of missed my entry. Right here would have been a good entry on short, but... we'll see. I think this definitely has the potential to roll over and make new lows yet. Why does the Apex website say DCA is not allowed? Just ignore it, Amit. Just pretend like it's that is one thing. If I could have a complaint, is that rule. That rule is never ever enforced, has never been enforced. So why is it even there? That's all I'm saying. Put next month's trip to Jamaica on the line. By the way, guys, I know I've been saying this, but in less than 3 weeks, I will be going to Jamaica for a week. The week of the 22nd. So the 22nd through the 26th in April, I will be in Jamaica on a mission trip. I know. I'm leaving for Jamaica on 4/20. I know. I knew someone was going to see that and be like, oh, that was not planned on purpose. Just happened. You know what I'm going to... Really? That's going to be a high trip. I doubt it. A Jamaica stream? Nope, that is definitely not going to happen. I'm going to try and maybe do a couple community posts and share some photos. But basically what we're going to be doing is we're going down as with our youth, with our church youth, and then we'll be building a home for someone. Jamaica vlog, maybe? It was on purpose. Whoever has the most points gets to go with you. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to work out that way for because it would look like design would be going with us. I just don't know that's going to work out. Is the ticket free for the missionaries? Yes. So obviously in this past year with our youth, so we are youth sponsors, which means we're in charge of planning everything for the youth, et cetera, et cetera. But basically in the past year, we've been doing a lot of different fundraisers, and basically through the fundraising, we have raised enough funds so that we can do this mission trip. I never left the U.S. You'll come with me, Saleha? I've never left the U.S. I have never left the country. This will be the first time that I'm leaving the country, so kind of scared. Hopefully they'll let me back in. He'll be the crazy uncle on the trip. Yeah, that would probably be an understatement. So it's for church? Yes, it's through our church youth. Yep. You and design will be security. But yeah, it's a pretty big group. We have 32 people in total that will be going. So it'll be a big group, and it'll be fun though. It'll be I'm sure the week will be very short, but at the same time, we also will not be staying. Like the place we're staying is in the at the mission headquarters, which is just basically, you know, a dorm with beds and no AC. So it's going to be pretty primitive. Yeah, they'll be like, nope, you're not coming back in. All right, we keep kind of putting in a little bit of support here at the 407s, 410s. See if it holds. It'd be kind of tempted here. You could buy right here, but we're struggling to get above the EMA here. We seem like we bump our head every time we try it. Just not seeing anything that great. Yeah, that $800 would sure come in handy. Exactly, black coffee. Man, I gotta say, guys, I'm looking outside. The weather, it looks beautiful. Here, here's the thing, guys. I need you guys to. I know I've been putting in some short streams, and I feel bad. Here's the thing, though. So every year I put in my mower. The place where I bought my mower, they come pick up my mower, and they take it in, and they do the yearly spring maintenance on it, which basically just they lube it up, so to speak. Well, I got my mower back yesterday. So I have a mower. Everything's nice and clean. This thing is tuned. It is ready to mow grass. Like that mower is just waiting and chomping at the bit to mow grass. So, and I'm looking outside. It's just beautiful weather. The sun is shining, and I see my grass. It's just waiting to be mowed. So the calling is pretty hot, pretty loud right now to go mow my lawn at some point today. So I'm just saying, looks like we might only be streaming till 1:30, and then we might be going up and starting the old 61-inch zero turn. You know how some people, they like cars. You know, I think Alpine actually, pretty sure Alpine is buying his car today or ordering his Porsche. Now, for me, a nice mower, that gets me excited, but that's probably a sign that you're a 40-year-old dad. That's probably a sign. But you know what? It is what it is. Well, it's tempting to buy here, but this feels like a trap. Feel like this could end up being a trap where you buy the support here at the 407s, and then I will just be entered. Like, I'll be entered like 1 second, and then whoosh, we make new lows. That's the vibe I'm getting. It's not worth it. Here, I'll show you guys. If you guys want to see my mower, I love showing my mower. There, hang on. Just everybody calm down. Real men mow with real mowers. You know, I like that. Did you know when I was Amish, back when I was Amish, and a little boy, like 12, 13 years old, I still remember mowing our lawn with a push reel mower. 100%. No lie. And I remember when like we had a certain part of our lawn that was like always really thick, a really thick lawn, and it would be really hard to mow. One of my brothers would always have to, we'd tie a string to the mower, and then he would like, he would have to pull the mower and I would push the mower. That's the only way we could mow this certain section of our of our lawn. And yep. Good times, man. Well, it looks like that trade would have actually worked. Feels bad. It's okay. Here's the mower. The Cadillac mower. You know you like it. Now that's a nice mower. Alpine was talking about Alpine was mentioning something to me that he's looking to buy a mower, and he actually asked me if I would recommend a zero turn mower or a lawn tractor mower. I told him if he buys a lawn tractor mower, he's dead to me. Just kidding though. Kind of. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this video. I forgot about this video. Okay, I gotta show you. Hang on. The market's not doing that much. Here, I gotta show you a video, guys. It's a short video, but so one of the things I love doing is time lapse videos. And this certain area of our lawn, right when we bought it, used to just be overgrown weeds. Like it was just kind of like a pasture, overgrown, wasn't ever mowed. So when we moved here, I wanted to mow that part as well. So this is a time lapse that's run in reverse. So it's a reverse time lapse, and it just looks weird. It looks weird. Watch. The grass is going. The grass it looks like I'm planting the grass. Oh, it's crazy. I completely forgot that I did this video. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, you know what's fun? When there's like on a rainy day, and just go through your photos. Just go through all your photos and just reminisce. Those are good times. Whoops, I was muted. Excuse me there. So you were asking about, yes, it is 1040 divided by 0.3. 10 hours of watching paint dry has 1.6 million views. Yeah, we as a human race are doomed. There is no hope for us. Good try, K-Trader. Not gonna happen. Oh, mamma mia. And look at this. We're right back down. It appears like we're going to trade in a range. You've got to be kidding me. All right, I don't want to hear it. I wasn't muted. I wasn't muted. I was just talking like my lips were moving, but I wasn't saying anything. I was just trying to, like test your guys' lip reading skills. Third time. No, Rad Poker. That is not correct. I think that was my first muted, I think. Yeah, the silence talk. I was just doing the whole. See? You guys thought I was muted. I wasn't. Ah. No, Trader's Chick. No need for that. We do not need to. Do not choose violence today. We are not going to choose violence today, Trader's Chick, okay? It's going to be calm. We're going to be fine. Everyone's fine. No one is debating how many mutes there were. It's pretty obvious. I think there were only one accidental mute. If it's a purposeful mute, that doesn't count, obviously. Obviously. More than one? Nah, I don't think so. Not that I remember. I've been known to have a short-term memory loss, but yeah, whatever. And here we pull them back more. Really are just going sideways. I might give it a stab here long. And if it goes without, if it rips to new lows, I will be a little upset. This is kind of scary. Okay, now feel. Oh, it's gonna go without me. Just went without me. Unbelievable. Literally went without me. I feel I'm actually offended. Feel like that was just not okay. Ah, hmm. All right, I guess we got to cancel that, but that was unfortunate. Kind of my own fault. Should have kept my order where it was and just let it get filled when everything would be fine. The market is waiting for my entry to rip lower. That I believe. Yes, I believe. Hey, Richiwala, good day. How goes it? Oh, let me catch up. I'm a terrible streamer. Who all has subbed today? Kodiak Trader, thanks for your sub. KY has subbed. Mark has subbed. I don't know when these subs were, but Dong subbed at some point. Thank you. Appreciate it. Also, this is your daily reminder to hit that like button. Okay? You know, it supposedly, rumor has it that it really helps if you hit the like button. So that'd be sweet. That'd be cool if you guys could take a little moment, just, you know, hit it, and then that's all I'm asking. Oh, I'm sad I didn't just pull the trigger here. Take your chart to 30-second. I'm good. If I look at a 30-second chart, I feel like I'm going to hyperventilate. I think. Hang on, I have to take this call. Ooh, did you see that little dump lower? Now we might have ourselves a situation. Hmm. Hmm. Man, the move here was obviously, in hindsight, it's always very easy to see, but there were some clues here. Should have just been shorting this every time we touch this EMA, just short. Go short. Big downtrend, lots of selling, and we never were able to get above the EMA and hold it. It got rejected every time. Could have scalped for about $2 million if you did that every time it touched. Give or take a couple million. Did I buy? Oh, Matty Man. I was like, wait, you guys were watching me buy an eval? Shoot. Yes, I actually did. The reason I actually did just buy 2 evals. Like, Apex sign up. When you sign up and use 80%, does it only apply for the first month? No, it applies for any month going forward as well, Eric. And basically until you pass that particular evaluation. So if you pass the evaluation, obviously then it's going to turn into a funded account, but the following months are also 80% off. You know what I just realized? The wife isn't here today. You guys know what that means. You guys know what that means, don't you? At least the regulars know what that means. Are you charged for making every trade on Apex like you normally would with a brokerage? I mean, there are commissions, but not like charged out of your pocket, but it's just, yes, there are commissions when you trade. Hey, Wendy's is exactly. Yes, indeed. What are we going to eat today? Feel like going out on a limb today and really trying something new. We could do the pretzel baconator. We could do a chicken. I mean, chicken, I haven't done a chicken in a long time. Definitely not going to do the spicy chicken. Loaded nacho chicken. Classic chicken. You know what? Let's do it. And then I'm going to add some bacon. Because why not? So if you overtrade, the commissions will go against your Apex account balance. Yes, Daniel. Yeah. Basically, every time you take a trade with, I'm going to try and remember what the commissions are. I might be off, but I'm pretty sure for the futures for this, oh man, blank. But ES or NQ, I think, is $1.98 round trip for one contract. And for the micros, it's like 51 cents each side, like $1.02 round trip. I might have it wrong there. So, okay, what do I want to drink? Maybe I should stay somewhat healthy here. Like maybe do a lemonade. That's probably not any healthier, but feels healthier. Man, I'm really struggling what I want to get to drink. Orange pop is my favorite. I know it is Little Big Bear, but I'm trying to be a little more healthy. Ooh, wow. Look at this nice bounce. Interesting. Now, we would follow our plan here. We would just continue to short this EMA. Thought? It's always a little bit more dangerous when it's actually at that level. All right, I need to make sure this order is placed. All right. And then I always like to tip. I like to tip really good tips because these drivers kind of have to go far. Okay, order is placed. Let's go. Should be here in 32 minutes. So what time is it? It's 11:39 right now. So at 12:11, remind me, guys, 12:11, I need to make sure I'm upstairs getting my drink or getting my food. Okay, is this thing going to make a move now? I don't want to short it, though. I just don't want to do it. Really curious if we've seen the low here. Like, this is the low for the day, the 378s. I honestly don't think we have. Anytime we have this big of a sell-off and the move higher, like the move higher is, I mean, I don't really go by this like a lot, but I do like using this. We didn't even retrace to the 38.2 fib level. Like, we didn't even make it that far. Which tells me the Bulls are really not that much in control. The Bears are just taking a break. And I think this thing can easily make new lows yet on the day. Just my 2 cents. But what do I know? I know nothing. Okay, here we go. See if we can actually get above the EMA and hold it. It's looking bullish. Will it hold? Man, it's tempting to short this. Might have to get out here. This is kind of a risky trade, and we'll bail if we need to. Come on. That's what I was afraid of. Might have to bail. I don't like it. Still feel like it's an okay if we don't. All right, here we go. This has got to be the move lower. Rip it. Rip it. Might have to grab it and run. Yeah, we'll just take it there. Hey, 401.60. 401. Could have been a little more patient there. NVIDIA still weak. Yeah, I mean, I still feel like we haven't seen enough of a move higher to really be bullish. Like, the grand scheme of things, if this chart was flip-flopped and we had this big of a move higher and we couldn't pull back more than this, I would be 100% bullish. End stream and take my profits. I agree. That is probably what we're going to do. That is very likely what we will do. Don't sleep on that like button, folks. I've heard it's very powerful. Heard it's very powerful. I will say it's definitely not a great day. I'm going to wait for the recap video to share, but yeah, I made a stupid decision this morning that I'm disappointed in myself. I made a decision. I'm not even, yeah, I do know why I did it, but it was a bad decision. I'll share it on the recap, but basically, for some reason, I thought it would be a great idea for me to copy trade 3 of my accounts that were in drawdown. Not in drawdown, but 3 of the accounts that I've already taken a payout from. And I copy traded all 3 of them. It didn't end well. Did not end well. Didn't end well. But we'll do a full recap on the video tonight. It is what it is. It's starting to get frustrated with these accounts that I've taken a payout from. Man, I just can't seem to get anything done right. Even this, like, I've had 2 of the accounts that I only had $500 of drawdown, and then I would make, like, I got it up to like $1,500 in profit, and then boom, the bottom would fall out. So kind of frustrating. Overall, it's still not a terrible day. Just it is what it is. I definitely, like, I talked about it a little bit last night on the last night's recap video, but I feel like a part of me, I'm a little bit more aggressive since I've gotten my payout. Or it's almost to where it feels like blowing accounts doesn't matter as much to me for some reason all of a sudden. I mean, I know why it would make sense like that, but like, I don't really like it. Like, so before I got a payout, like, blowing an account was like, and I think there's like a happy medium, because blowing a funded account was like so frustrating for me. Affect me almost in a negative way where it wasn't good. But now, especially these accounts that have gotten a payout from, I'm just like, hey, this morning was a good example. This morning, I literally, I was up green. I was up like $200 per account, and I had my take profit set at 24 ticks. I was at 22 ticks, and I was too stubborn to just take my profit. And then it rips, and just, I got caught in one of those huge red candles, and in a matter of seconds, it was over. But anyway, whatever. My TED Talk. It's trading. It's part of trading. Which I knew. Like, the thing I keep reminding myself is when I got these accounts to pay out, and I made the decision to take out the full $2,000, I knew I was basically sacrificing the account just to get that full $2,000 payout. I know some of you disagree with that method, but I would do it again. Like if I had to do it over again, I would take out the full 2,000 again, because even losing those accounts now, yeah, it hurts a little bit in a sense of just it kind of sucks, but I don't have any regrets. Like, for example, if I would have taken only out maybe 1,000 or 1,500, I would have still blown these accounts on almost all of them. Like an extra $500 of drawdown would not have saved me on most of these accounts. So every time I would then blow one of these accounts, it would hurt way more, or it would just be more frustrating because I would know that I left $1,000 of hard-earned money that I could have had. I just left it on the table. And I think that it depends. Like if you're on different stages of your journey, like I think if it's the first time that you take a payout, I think you take the full amount. If it's your 10th payout and you have more of a track record of being able to get to payout consistently, then I think, and that's where I hope to be maybe in a couple months, but that's then when it makes more sense to build up a buffer a little bit more before you do that payout. I'm hoping to get there at some point this year, but even this next round of payouts, if I get to a next round of payout, I honestly think I'm going to do it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take out the full 2,000, because even with taking out a $30,000 in March, like I've shared this, but even taking all that money out, I'm basically break even. Like I'm basically, and I mean, to be honest, if I calculate all, like not just Apex, if I only look at Apex on what I've spent versus what payouts I've gotten, I'm pretty much break even. But if I look at take profit, how much I've spent, if I look at take profit, and if I look at UProfit and all the prop firms where I've spent money on in the past year, then I'm still net negative. So if I do take another round of payouts, I'll take out the full amount. Then I will actually be net positive, and then I would just feel better about trying to build a cushion before I take a payout. We're not there yet. We are not there yet. But anyway, it's kind of my thoughts right now. Thoughts are a little bit all over the place. Yeah, no regrets. If I have a wanderer, sorry. But man, we are really just going sideways here. Hey, I appreciate that, Wanderer. I appreciate that. I know most of you, on 99.9% of you, are whatever I decide, even if you disagree with me, you're still on board, which I appreciate. But I do appreciate it. I appreciate constructive feedback. Like, hey, this is, what I've done. This is what I would, different thoughts. I appreciate that. As long as people don't be like, I had a guy, a week ago, he actually has a channel, I think. And I've kind of wanted to follow it because he was really bragging about how he builds up his balance. He builds up his profit balance on all of his accounts, and it's easy. And, it sounded like he's got everything down pat. So he was really giving me a hard time of, why would you take out the full amount? That's so dumb. It's like, hey, it's not dumb if you've gone a year without a payout. I didn't tell him that, though. Hey, I appreciate you, Traders Chick. You're just here for the ride. Man, it has been a bumpy ride. We've gone through some flood areas. We've gone through a lot. I will say that. Oh, this is tempting here to go long, man. Oh, it's tempting. But what if it doesn't work? No, I'm not going to take another trade and then regret it and then be disappointed, then yada, 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 yada. You're just here for the loyalty points. I love it. I love it. You know, those loyalty points, they're just, I don't know. I like it. What in the world is this number? If this is another prank, or if this is another telemarketer, I'm going to be so upset. We're back. Finally. Oh man, that took longer than expected. Let's just say that the food was a little delayed. How we doing, fellas? Ooh, market making a move here. Mmm. Mmm. I didn't eat yet. I'm eating Wendy's. I was waiting on the DoorDasher to finally arrive. Took him forever. Think they were doing some sightseeing before they came. Oh, look at this move. Nice move here. Mm. If I like Wendy's, oh yes, I do. When I'm getting my payout, probably should be here tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, Anka. Whoa. What's going on with my connection? I'm disconnected. Hang on. So good. Hey, Travis, how we doing? We are eating a classic chicken from Wendy's. Obviously from Wendy's. But what is going on with my connection? I'm not connected. What is anyone here having issues connecting to Rhythmic? Oh, Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, Jen, I wish I would have thought of that. I wish I would have thought of that because I would have done that. I even have Chick-fil-A sauce in the fridge. Man, I wish I would have done that. Emilio, if you buy the 50K test today, I mean, usually it'll be at least the Rhythmic accounts are usually active within 10 minutes. So you can start trading them within 10 minutes. Man, I have no idea what's going on. What's the market doing, fellas? Did we keep going higher? Might need to close and reopen Ninja. I don't know. I'm checking if I can open Rhythmic. Yeah. I'm going to try one more time. If this doesn't work, I'll probably have to restart Ninja. It's weird. Hey, nice, Travis. Nice. Come on, just connect. Hey, thanks, Warren. All right. I think I'm going to have to restart. All right. Need to restart Ninja. Reinstall Windows 11. Incorrect passwords. Okay, let's try it again. Reset your password. I think I'm good. Okay, looks like we finally are connected again. That was very weird. Okay, we are finally back. We can actually see what's going on. What kind of PC I have? I got a beast. I have the 4090 graphics card and then the Intel i9 13900K S processor, and I think 64 gigabytes of RAM. She does the job. And I'm tempted here to go short. His favorite song is Amish Paradise. How many kids I have? 2. What's your mother's maiden name? What's your favorite place to visit? Good one. You almost had me, little Big Bear. You almost had me. Wait, I have the same PC as Patrick Whelan. Saw it in Tanya's vlog with him. Are you serious, Travis? Yeah, the best retail PC money can buy. That's true. That is true. At least it was when I bought it. I don't think there's anything that's been better that's come out. I could mine Bitcoin with it. That's true. I could. Maybe I should do that during the after, like during the night. See if I can't make some extra money. I never understood the whole Bitcoin mining thing. Like, I have no idea what that is. Like, that's way above my head. Oh my gosh, you guys were looking at me all this time? That's terrible. I thought I changed my screen. Oh, you poor guys. Sitting there only looking at me. I'm good. The forehead. You were watching the screen off the reflection of my glasses, right? You thought you were on OnlyFans. Sorry to give you false hope. You know, I'm sure there's a niche. You know, there's a small little niche somewhere for OnlyFans and trading. The combination of the two. That's as far as I'm going to go. Travis, if you want to take it from there, be my guest. I'm going to leave it at that. But hey, I'm just saying there's probably a hole. There's probably a void there that could be filled. Oh, dear. Just put the bare feet on the desk. People are weird. But supposedly that is a thing. Oh man. Oh man, this has gone off the rails in a hurry. I'm going to trade on my other accounts. You see, Maria. I was thinking about it, but I'm not. I was thinking about it. Man, this is starting to look and feel like we might want to. Maybe we will make a move higher here in the afternoon. Gosh, I said I wasn't going to take another trade, so I'm not going to do it. You're from Morocco? Nice. Thanks for joining. Today is the last day. It is for the sale. The last day. Today at 5 p.m. I'm still streaming server Thanos. Yep. But I will probably be getting off here in the next 15, 20 minutes. I don't really want to keep streaming, and then I might trade. You know how it goes. So I'm probably going to look to end it here soon. End it, and kind of had a neutral day, to be honest. Again, we had this morning. Lost 3 more accounts. I did made a terrible decision. Decided to copy trade 3 of my accounts that I've already taken a payout from and paid the price. But other than that, trading went really well today. If it wouldn't be for that, it'd be a great day. But hey, here we are. If you bought during the 1-day pass, it rolls over to the next sale. Do you still get 1-day pass? So basically, if you buy an eval today, you do have to pass it today in order for the 1-day pass to be effective. If you don't pass it, you can, I don't know what promotion is going to be run after this, but it basically would fall under that promotion then. As far as the 1-day pass, I think they've done a 3-day pass in the past. So again, kind of a different, yeah. All right, we're just slowly grinding higher. Why I like NQ? Sometimes I don't like NQ. You know, sometimes I don't like it, but I still trade it. No, I use mainly just it's I guess what I've been watching and what I'm most familiar with. And let's see if we break above. Yep, here we go. Above the 450s. There she blows. You started like the YM? Interesting. You think 3 days to pass is coming next? Could be. Yeah, could be. Guess we'll wait and see. Okay, let's see what we we got. We touched the 452, 453. Now pull them back. I think we have visitors. The dog is barking like crazy. Yeah, I hear someone. Oh, I think it's the wife. I think the wife came home. Hey, with the code is 80% if I pass the same month. No, it's 80% off is this month, and as long as that eval is active, it'll rebill every month at the 80% off rate. Hmm. Kind of doing this slow grind higher. It's so tempting to jump in this long, but I don't know. All right, pull them back a little bit more. All right, I'm going to go upstairs and have a quick chat with the wife before she leaves again. I will be right back. Don't you leave. All right, we're back. Oh. All right, are we going to keep making a move higher, or is this thing going to dump? Mm. Oh, is there a bond auction? 7-year note in 5 minutes? Oh, okay. That is good information. That does usually, or it can move the markets pretty significantly. So we shall pay attention. Financial juice. Oh, okay. Maybe I should look into that. Gay trader, nice try. Top hours. Oh, and then it's just slightly delayed. Okay. Regular, it's 1,100. Hold it. That's insane price. Wow. I don't think I would pay that much for some news that I don't trade anyway. I just need to know when there's news so I don't trade it. Yeah, it gives you plenty of heads up. Enough time that you know not to be trading or in a trade. Yep. I think I've actually used financial juice in the past. I think, if I remember right. Excuse me. Do you get a trade copier free from Apex if you're trading multiple eval accounts? No, you do not. The Apex tools is a different, or they look at it as a different company than the Apex Trader Funding. It's two separate companies. Sierra, it lets you do the same. Yeah, I think Sierra has a free trade copier. I guess I don't know enough. I also don't think, I think you need to have the, I think you need to pay it. Is Sierra free? I don't know enough about it. You do get a free copier with Quant Tower. I know that. Has some good options on it. Which one I use? Currently, the one I'm familiar with, or the one that I trust the most, is the Replicanto trade copier. But yeah, I think the thing that you have to understand with trade copiers, there's always a chance something goes wrong. So just be aware, make sure that you always have an open positions tab and that you're just make sure that you're always out of your position if you mean to be. So that's the main thing. Okay, market is starting to pull back a little bit more here now. The news at 1 o'clock. I'm not sure. Is this from the news? Or is usually that kind of news takes a minute or two to get going? But I don't know. Did not move the market much. At least not yet. Kind of want to, I don't know. I want to sell here so bad. Well, maybe not. Okay, now that was, that seemed like a news event. Quick spike higher. Interesting. Now I feel like the news is actually out. Usually takes like 2 minutes for those bond auctions for the news to actually hit. I've noticed. Kind of had an initial spike higher. Now it's one of the, I don't know. Maybe we just chop back and forth. Is there a lag on your YouTube feed? I mean, yeah, somewhat. There's like a probably 7 to 10 seconds in delay. JW. Couldn't stay away. If I'm using Tradeovate, no, I am using Rhythmic and Ninja Trader. Feels like this thing wants to drop. I don't know. It's feeling heavy. We are struggling to make new highs. Feels like it wants to roll over. And I would take a short, but I just don't. I'm just not in the mood to give back any profits, and kind of happy where we're at for the day. I think we'll just call it a good day. Call it a good day, and hopefully we can get some more tomorrow. But man, this is definitely was a pretty crazy day, this especially this morning. Man, did we have a rip lower. We might this afternoon, this thing might go test these lows again. I wouldn't be shocked. All right, guys. I think I'm going to call it here. I don't really see any need to keep sitting here. And if I'm not going to trade, I think I'm going to call it. Call it a good day. Again, kind of conflicted. Had some good stuff. Had some bad stuff. We'll cover it on the recap video. All right, everybody. Take care. We'll be back tomorrow. And God bless.